Hey everyone! Today, we will show you how to set up Razorpay as a payment gateway in your Shopify store. This will allow you to accept secure online payments from your customers and make the checkout process smooth and reliable. Let's walk through how to set it up step by step. In your Shopify dashboard, click on Apps. Then, search for the app. Click on Recommended Apps. Next, go to the Shopify App Store. Once we are here, we will install the SRP app. Install this one. Keep in mind, if it is not compatible with your store, that is okay. After installing the SRP app, if it is not compatible, you may not be able to move forward. But once it is installed, go back to your Shopify dashboard and open Settings. Under Settings, go to Payments. Once we are in Payments, add a payment method. Then use the drop-down to search for the provider and add Razorpay as your payment option. Once that is added, confirm and log into your account. You now have a payment gateway with Razorpay connected to your Shopify store. With this integration, we can start accepting payments easily and grow our online business.